expert as it has all the information needed, but it's also a noob in the fact that you have to like really massage it and to get the right answers. And so now I put it into a function, and now I can say, hey, let's loop this function forever. And that will allow me to run this bot 24/7, 365. So how do I loop forever? Well, let's go ahead here and say loop bot forever, and that should be fine, because remember, when we enter, it just chills for 5 days. You know, if you have this up on a server or a computer, it's just chilling for 5 days after it enters, and then it's going to check this. So loop bot forever, we have to hit schedule dot every, let's just do 15 seconds, and dot seconds dot do and bot, and then we have to import schedule, import schedule, and I might want to import that at the top, but then we'll say while true, we want to try schedule, and we put a try block there just in case like internet goes out or something. I don't want to have to rerun this, because for example, if the internet goes out or something happens, I can just say print maybe internet problem error sleeping 30 and retrying. So I'll copy and paste that a few times. I want to go ahead and see if I can get this to run, but I'm not going to spend too much more time debugging it. You can see that if I run this every 15 seconds, let's just run it for 1 second now, and let's go ahead and go to my Phoemax. Well, let's see if it runs first. Phoemax contract. Let's go to BTC. Oh, it looks like my market maker is in there already. So that's interesting. Is it up a little bit? I don't really want to run it on my account because I have another bot running, but you know, this is interesting. I think it's gonna work, but as you saw, I had to massage it quite a bit. So if you want me to do a part 2 and build more in-depth bots using ChatGPT, please do let me know. OpenAI seems to be pretty neat, but I think this concludes the how to use OpenAI to build trading bots using ChatGPT 3. Pretty awesome software, but like I mentioned, you got to massage it a bit, and I'm gonna keep training on top of their model, which is the OpenAI Codex model, and hopefully we can get to the point where you can just put in this and it outputs a perfect version of this instead of having to play around with it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video or inside of the bootcamp, where I give you all my code, all my strategies, and all that good stuff. So see you there.